The parking lot is located just past the entrance to the ticket counter of the railroad station. The parking lot is extremely long. It was very full when we went, so be patient looking for a parking spot. Also, you do have to pay at the kiosks. Please also be patient with the kiosks, as well, some of them were not working accepting credit cards, but they do accept credit cards and cash. It costs $12 and it gives you almost an entire day. So we arrived around 1 and we had parking until 7:30 the next morning. So again, the parking lot is very long, very packed the day we went, but it's a beautiful, beautiful time. The mountains, the views are incredible. So take your time and enjoy it while you're there. As I was walking back, I saw there is access to the Lehigh River, so you can rent rafts to go down the Lehigh River. This is located just at the parking lot, actually, and you can find different places to go ahead and rent these rafts. Here is the train arriving. We'll be getting on this train shortly. You notice this section here, people hanging out of the windows. Those are the open air carts or cabooses. Those were actually sold out for the 3 o'clock train we were taking. We were enclosed, but there was still fresh air. So you may want to go early if you want the open air cabooses. Here we're boarding on the train. Please be patient. A lot of people like to cut in front of you. As long as you keep socially distanced and your masks on, everything will be okay. Everyone gets a chance to get on, plenty of time to get on. You get about 20 minutes to board the train. Yes, there was a restroom on the train, which is a great feature. It's about the size of an airplane restroom, and it had all the features you need on there as well. That was good to have. I really enjoyed this feature for those of you that get motion sick. If you want to go the way the train is going, just change the back of the seat. That way you can face the way you're going. Now please enjoy my time-lapse video here. Downtown Jim Thorpe is a very quaint, very nice area. A lot of bed and breakfasts, a lot of restaurants, a lot of artisan shops. It's a great place just to spend the weekend, spend the day. It's right very close to the railroad, so we got there early and were able to walk around a little bit and enjoy the different treats there, as well as just walk around and enjoy the architect, the streets, and the people.